Legends of Learning presents the Bean Wars game. This is a math game that makes learning about fluently adding and subtracting using the standard algorithm fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, the naive bean president of the legumes nation has mistakenly thrown pies against the world leaders. Use addition and subtraction to defend from your opponents in a bakery dispute and restore world peace. The game features 6 chapters in story mode to learn and reinforce addition and subtraction concepts. In story mode, the game teaches you to complete the operations by counting beans on the screen in our so-called bean algorithm. If you're already familiar with the story mode, then you can jump right into practicing operations in the practice mode and prepare your kids for an assessment. Collect all the medals by completing the key tasks in the game. Find the answers to math questions using addition and subtraction. Point and click with the mouse to select different buttons, objects, and numbers to complete math questions. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.
Talented.